Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll solve the No Calculator Math section of the May 2017 US SAT. So let's begin. Question 1. In the xy plane, what is the y-intercept of the line with the equation y is equal to 4x minus 1? So when the line is written as y is equal to mx plus c, c is the y-intercept, so that is negative 1. For the function f above, what is the value of f7 minus f5? So f7 is 7 plus 3, 10 by 2, 5. And f5 is 5 plus 3, 8 by 2, 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. If xy is the solution to the system of equations above, what is the value of y? So from the second equation, I see that x is 6. So 3 times x plus y is 12. So x plus y is 4. So 6 plus y is 4. So y is negative 2. In economics, the equilibrium price is defined as the price at which quantity demanded and quantity supplied are equal. If the quantity demanded D and quantity supplied S in terms of the price in dollars are given by the equation above, what is the equilibrium price? So at equilibrium price, D is equal to S. So 60 minus 3 by 4p is 1 by 4p. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So p is equal to 60. The equilibrium price is $60. If this is true, what is the value of x? So let's x minus 2 be t. So t squared minus 60 plus 9 is 0. So t squared plus 3 squared minus 2 into t into 3 is 0. So that becomes t minus 3 the whole squared is 0. So t is 3. But x minus 2 is t. So x minus 2 is 3. So x is 5. A chef plans to cook a maximum of 100 entrees for a dinner party. Each entree will include either chicken or fish. The cost of ingredients for each chicken entree is 7, and the cost of ingredients for each fish entree is 9. If no more than $850 can be spent on ingredients for the entrees, and the chef cooks C chicken entrees and F fish entrees, which of the following best represents the constraints on C and F? Okay, so maximum of 100 entrees and C chicken and F fish. So C plus F should be less than equal to 100, right? Because the total cannot go beyond 100. And the cost of one chicken entree is 7. So for C, it would be 7C. For one fish, it is 9, so 9F. And this has to be less than equal to 850 because it can't, the expense cannot be more than that. So C plus F should be less than equal to 100 and 7C plus 9F should be less than equal to 850C. If x plus y is 13 and x minus y is 2, what is x square minus y square? So x square minus y square is x plus y times x minus y. So 13 times 2, which is 26. Every Saturday, Bob bakes loaves of bread to sell at the farmer's market. Each loaf costs him $1 to make, and he sells the loaves for $3 each. He also pays a vendor's fee of $75 every Saturday to set up his booth. What is the least number of loaves of bread Bob needs to sell every Saturday to cover the cost of the vendor's fee? Okay, so he makes it for $1 and sells it for $3. So the amount he earns per loaf, he earns $2. So let's say he sells X loaves, so he earns 2x dollars, and he wants to cover the cost of the vendor's fee. So 2x should be greater than equal to 75. So x should be greater than equal to 75 by 2, which is 37.5, right? So the minimum number of lobes that he needs to sell is 38. In the right triangle above, the tangent of angle A is 4 by 3. What is the sine of angle B? Okay, so tan A is 4 by 3. So that's BC by AC is 4 by 3, opposite over base. So 20 by AC is 4 by 3. So AC is 15, right? Okay, now sine B will be opposite over hypotenuse, which is 15 over 25. So that's 3 by 5, option A. In the equation above, W, X, and Z are each greater than 1. What is the equivalent of Y? Okay, so WXY plus XYZ minus YZ is WX. So I brought all the Y terms together. So Y times WX plus XZ minus Z is WX. So Y is WX divided by WX plus XZ minus Z. WX by WX plus XZ minus Z. So that's D. The pressure exerted on an object underwater increases by 1 atmosphere every 33 feet below the surface of the water. At sea level, the pressure is 1 atmosphere. Which equation gives the total pressure P in atmospheres exerted on an underwater object at the depth of F feet below sea level? Okay, so for 33 feet, the pressure is 1 atmosphere. So for 1 feet, it would be 1 by 33. So for F feet below sea level, it would be F by 33 atmosphere. So at the sea level, it is 1. And as you go F feet below, F by 33 is added. So 1 plus F by 33, option D. Which of the following equations has a graph in the xy plane with no x-intercepts? Okay, so let's work with elimination. This can be written as x minus 6 into x plus 1. So this has x-intercepts of 6 and negative 1. So this is not the answer. This has an x-intercept at the origin. And this has an x-intercept of 2.5, right? So it should be this. Let's just calculate the discriminant. B squared minus 4AC, which is 9 minus 4 into 1 into 4. So 9 minus 16, which is negative 7. Yeah. So this does not have any real roots, so no x-intercepts. What is the y-coordinate of the point of intersection in the xy plane of the graphs of the equation above? Okay, so let's equate them. 5x plus 1 is x square plus 3x plus 2. So x square minus 2x plus 1 is 0. So x minus 1 whole square is 0. So x is 1. So if x is 1, the y coordinate would be 5 plus 1, 6. So that's D. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to 16x square to the power 1 by 2? So that's the square root of 16x square. So that's 4 times, I should say modulus of x, because if it's x square, then the modulus of x will always be the positive value and the square root is the positive value. So this is option A, 4 times modulus x. In the figure above, BC is 5 and the length of line segment AD is half the length of line segment CD. Okay, so if this is x, then this is 2x. What is the length of line segment DE? So these are similar triangles. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ACB. So AD by AC should be DE by BC by the property of corresponding sides. So x divided by 3x will be DE divided by 5. So x and x cancels. So DE is 5 by 3. Option C. Okay, grid questions. In the equation, this and this, A and B are constants. When the product AB is written in this form, where C is a constant, what is the value of C? Okay, so AB is x minus 4 times x plus 4, which is x square minus 16, A square minus B squared. And that is equal to x square minus C. So C has to be 16. Isabella sells only rings and necklaces on her website. Rings sell for $50 and necklaces for $30. Isabella sold 25 pieces of jewelry and her sales totaled 1050. How many necklaces? Okay. So necklaces plus rings, total she sold 25 and ring is for 50 and necklace for 30. So 30N plus 50R, she earned a total of 1050. So necklace. So let's multiply this equation by 50. So I get, let me write here, 50N plus 50R is 1250. And then if I subtract the first equation from the second, 20N is 200. So N is 10. So 10 necklaces. What value of H is the solution of the equation above? 1.2H plus 2.4 is 2H minus 1.2. So 2 minus 0.8H is 3.6. So H is 3.6 by 0.8, which is 36 by 8, 4.5. So this is 4.5. Let me write here. Okay. If R is greater than 0 and the third root of 9R by 2 is 1 by 2R, what is the value of R? So third root of 9R by 2 is 1 by 2R. So let me raise both sides to the third power. So 9R by 2 is 1 by 2R the whole cube, which is R cube by 8. And let me cancel 1R and I'll be left with a square here. And 2 cancels with this and we get 4. So 9 is R squared by 4. So R squared is 36. So R has to be 6 because it is positive. In the figure above, the circle has center A and line segment CB is tangent to the circle at point C. Okay, if AB is 1, AB is 1 and CB is 0.8, what is the length of the diameter of the circle? So the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So I have a right triangle here. So by Pythagoras theorem, this has to be 0.6, right? So the radius is 0.6. So the diameter would be 1.2. Okay, so let's grade this. May 2017, math, no calculator. D triple B C, D B B B C. Okay, C B A A D, C B A A D, 11 D A D A C, D A D A C. Okay, let's do the gridden ones. 16, 16, 10, 4.5, 16, 10, 4.5, 6 and 1.2. 6 and 1.2. Okay, we got all correct. Hope this exercise helped. If it did, hit like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Take care. Bye bye.